Okay, I've just scooped these out of a bucket of mine run, I'll call it. They're pieces that have come off larger boulders. They're a bit mixed, some haven't got anything on it. I've just literally, like I say, I've picked it up and put it on the table. I'll zoom in. The material's been wetted, and the white that you can see in some instances is the water reflecting the light. Start off with this bit over here. Like I say, I've just literally pulled these out of a bucket, bit of a vein there. Some of these are better than others. Some haven't got much at all. Mostly potch that last piece, bit of colour in the middle. Anyway, this has been sold as low grade mine. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.